If you're an e-commerce brand, you've probably seen this problem before. Facebook, Google, and TikTok, they all want to take credit for the same sale. Attribution is messy, confusing, and it's killing your ability to know which channels are really driving growth. Today, I'm going to break down why ROAS is no longer enough and how shifting to MER is the smartest way to navigate this attribution chaos and grow your business. Hi everyone, I'm Leighton and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for weekly tips on e-commerce growth and profitability. Also, make sure to download our free ebook, 5 Pillars to Online Business Success, packed with strategies to help you crush it in 2025. Put a lot of work and effort into this book and feel like there's a lot of value in it, so download it. Free link in the description below. So let's talk about one of the biggest challenges in digital marketing today, attribution. You've seen this before. Facebook said it drove a sale, Google claims credit for the same sale, and TikTok does too. So who's really responsible? Each platform has its own way of tracking conversions, and the truth is they all want to take credit, and they kind of deserve to all take credit. The problem is they often overlap, and you end up with inflated results that don't truly represent where your sales are coming from. Between channels, a customer might see your ad on TikTok, click a Google search ad, and then convert on a retargeting ad on Facebook. So all 3 platforms will try to claim that sale, and ROAS makes it hard to understand which channel actually contributed the most. So what does that tell us? ROAS isn't enough. This is why relying on ROAS can be misleading. ROAS focuses on individual campaigns and doesn't account for the fact that your customers are often interacting with multiple touch points across various platforms, which is what we want. We want to be omnichannel. The real issue with ROAS is that it's too narrow. It only looks at how one channel performs without taking into account the broader customer journey. ROAS only measures in silos. ROAS gives you the impression that one platform is responsible for the sale, but in reality, your customers are being influenced by multiple channels. Facebook might drive the awareness, TikTok might build the engagement, and Google might capture the conversion. But ROAS doesn't tell that story. Another issue is that ROAS encourages marketeers to often favor the channel with the best results, even if that channel wasn't solely responsible for driving the sale. This leads to inefficient ad spend because you're only seeing part of the picture. ROAS also ignores other important elements like organic efforts, email marketing, and influencer campaigns, which can be driving sales, but don't show up in your platform attribution report. So here's why MER, your marketing efficiency ratio, is the solution to these problems. MER measures your entire marketing ecosystem by comparing total revenue to total marketing spend across all channels. It gives you a holistic view on marketing. Unlike ROAS, MER gives you a holistic view on how your entire marketing strategy is performing. It doesn't matter if Facebook, Google, or TikTok take credit. What matters is how your combined efforts are driving revenue for your business. So by focusing on MER, you no longer have to worry about which platform is overstating its impact in regards to conversions. Definitely still look at the creative side of it, getting more into that later, but instead you're looking at the big picture, how all your marketing dollars are working together to generate sales. MER also provides a clearer picture for your true profitability. It doesn't just look at ad performance, but considers the effectiveness of your overall marketing investment. So you're including your email, your content marketing, and even your team and agency salaries, which is quite important. So really get the clear picture on that bottom line for you guys. Shifting to an MER focused approach isn't just about metrics. It's about building a team culture focused on collaboration and business growth, rather than having 5 or 6 different departments that don't communicate with each other. Your team needs to move away from thinking in silos. Each channel isn't a standalone driver of success. Facebook, Google, TikTok, email, and organic social should all work together to drive growth. MER encourages this cross-channel collaboration. You also need to start viewing your marketing budget as a driver for your business growth, not just an expense. When you analyze your MER, you're looking at how your marketing spend is contributing to overall business revenue, rather than just focusing on ad performance in isolation. In today's world, relying on ROAS alone, it's outdated. So with attribution becoming even more complex as the years go on, MER is probably the only true way to understand how your entire marketing strategy is working to grow your business. By shifting your focus to MER, you're not only going to solve the attribution issue, but you'll also create a more sustainable, growth-driven approach to your marketing. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really does help me out a lot. And before you go, make sure to download the free ebook, 5 Pillars to Online Business Success. I've been telling you about this. We've been putting a lot of work into it. It's only about 36 pages, but I feel like it's value packed and I feel like everybody could get a little bit of value from it. So yeah, again, appreciate you checking out the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.